Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, NAIJA News and Entertainment, a #1 channel for entertainment news and celebrity gossip happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drops. Still on the ultimate love reality TV show, Unpacking the Night, how nominations went yesterday in the ultimate love show. With nominations being spread out broadly this week, Aunty had a tough decision to make when it came time to decide who would compete for a safe option. As has become customary, Aunty came into the love part after the checkout show to see how everyone was doing. Getting met by smiles and hugs from our love guests, Aunty first was curious to hear how everyone came to settle on their nominations. By and large, most people said they went with their gut feeling, as a minute isn't a great deal of time to make a rational choice. Aunty once again reminded them that there's no harm in strategizing beforehand in order to win the game, even though the primary goal obviously remains finding their soulmate. David Wilson, however, wasn't coying about motivation, despite making peace with Rosie and telling her that he still loves her, though he couldn't be with her. He put down a name. If you're thinking, well, that's not very loving, wait until you hear his reason. In essence, he says it's a game and they wanted Roksie to feel the same way they did the previous week. Perhaps the kiss and makeup moment was an attempt to blindside Rosie so she wouldn't see the nominations coming. Next, Aunty got into the gist of her visit, officially revealing who nominated, but first she chose J-Kesh and OBAB to compete in a Monday mission outside in the real world. The winning couple gets saved, the losing couple will join the following couples when line opens this Tuesday. Here's who nominated so far. Here's who is nominated so far. Jerryton 4 votes, Roksie 3 votes, Bola 2 votes, Chivia 2 votes, Jello 2 votes, Double Chris 2 votes. Pending the Monday mission results, either OBAB 3 votes or J-Kesh will join the nominated couples. Tell us what you think about the strategy in the love part. Should the love guests start playing to win or just focus on bonding? Please drop your comments below. Thank you.